There's a few different ways that you can chat inside of a Mighty network. If you have the global members featured enabled and you can see the People Explorer, you can click on a profile here and chat directly with someone. Or you can head up to your chat icon here in the upper right corner and select the plus icon. If I go ahead and say I want to start a conversation with Brooke, and I click Start Chat. This is an AI feature that we have, which is called Start a Conversation. And what it does is it pulls information from my profile and Brooke's profile and suggests things that we might have in common. So if I click Suggest a Conversation Starter here, said, "Hey, Brooke, I noticed you're also in West Sacramento. How cool is that? I'm always on the lookout for new hiking partners, especially since I often hike alone. Would love to connect and maybe swap trails and stories." So you can go ahead and edit this, or you can send it right away. And if I just go ahead and click enter, then my chat will be sent. I can react to it here, or they can react to it here, and can also create threads as well inside of the conversations. You can also attach a photo, a file, or a GIF, or add a GIF here. And you can also insert an emoji inside a chat message as well. So lots of fun things to do inside of direct messages. If I wanted to start a group chat, so say, for example, I wanted to chat with a few people, I can chat with up to 9 folks. So if I select Brooke and Claire and Daniel, say, for example, I wanted to organize a hike with just the 3 of us, then I would click Start a Chat, and then you can, again, do Suggest a Conversation Starter as well. So then I could, send a message to the 3 of them, and so it's just a chat with all the 4 of us together. The 3-dot menu here gives you some options. You can mute, enable sounds, show a send button, and then this will archive a conversation. So say, for example, you don't want it to show up in your messages anymore, you can do that. Open in a new window, and then also get to your notification settings here as well. Inside of here, you and your chat icon, you also have some more ways that you can manage your chat conversations. You can, if you mute them here, so say, for example, I wanted to mute from the 3-dot menu or in that other screen that I showed, I could toggle this off and it would hide all the muted conversations from my conversation list. I could show private messages only. So these other messages are from space chats. So if I only wanted to have private messages, I could do that here. And then I can also manage my sounds and show send button as well from this menu. So we'll get into other ways that you can chat inside of a Mighty network, but that is private messages and small group chats.